So we have arrived at Gardens by the Bay. I'm looking for Luca right now. So he's always running around. So let's go find him. Luca! What do you want to eat, Luca?
Huh?
What do you want to eat?
McDonald's?
McDonald's?
Yeah.
Can you find a McDonald's? What are we going to have?
Ice cream?
Ice cream?
Yeah.
Silly. Ooh. What is that?
So we are right here.
Uh-huh.
After it's bigger right here.
And then?
Past the big baby. After that, Kidztopia.
We're heading to Kidztopia.
Yeah.
You gonna lead the way?
Yeah. Oh, that's so quick.
Arrow, which way is it pointing?
Let's go there.
That means we're going to go this way.
Yeah.
And we have to find the next sign.
Luca, which way?
That's a really nice shot actually.
Yeah.
Whoa. We found another arrow. So where is it, Luca? I think it is the MRT station is there. Come on, Luca. Go across the bridge.
Look at that, look down.
Whoa. Can you see the wheel? Have we arrived? What did he say? Bayfront Plaza. Where is it? You have arrived?
Yes.
What's this place? Kidztopia.
Kidztopia. What?
Luca! Luca, where are you? Luca, where are you? Luca, I got you! What are you doing, Luca?
I'm stuck around.
Yeah, so spell out. I will catch you. Slide down, slide down. Whoa.
Look at that gigantic sign.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so this is what we're going to do, okay? So you will hide. I'll count 10 and then I'll catch you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reina, here I come. Let's go and find Luca. Where's Luca? Luca. So we're gonna find Luca. I wonder where it is. Oh, I hear his voice. It's a maze. Luca. Here. It's a trap. Luca, Aiden, where are you? Okay, so now it's my turn. I'm gonna hide and you are going to find me. Count to 10, okay? Okay, we're gonna hide first. We're gonna hide. We're gonna hide from Luca. We're gonna hide from Luca. We're gonna find better space to hide, and Luca's gonna find us. How about we hide here? Yeah. I'm gonna find where it is. Oh no, that was fast. Whoa, what is this? Yeah. Oh, how high can you go, Luca? Can you touch the wings? Are you able to touch the wings? Okay, let's see who can jump higher. And 3, 2, and 1. Whoa! I can jump higher than you. You want to catch me?
Yes.
We're going to go in the... Oh, what is that?
Ice water?
And run and jump. And go. And go. Let's see. Whoa. Oh. Okay. Hopefully he can't find me. Alright. So hopefully. How do you find me?
Look.
How do you find me?
I saw your head.
Whoa! Do that again, do that again. Do that again, how you do? You had fun?
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, that's a tiring day,
Yeah.
jump around. It's fun actually, right?
Yeah.
You want to say anything to your friends?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Check the link below.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.